The topic is joints. Joints are the sites where two or more bones meet. They are also called articulations. Functions. Joints have two fundamental functions that are they give mobility to the skeleton as well as they hold the skeletal parts together. Structural classification of joints they are classified into three types, that are fibrous joints, cartilaginous joints, synovial joints, and synovial joints are further classified into hinge joints and ball and socket joints. Number 1, that are fibrous joints. Fibrous joints has a thin layer of fibrous connective tissues, and these connective tissues holds the bones firmly in position. There is no joint cavity between the bones. These joints are immovable. These joints provide strength and support for the body. They have also a protective role for the delicate structures. And these joints are present between the bones of skull, between the sacrum and iliac of pelvic girdle, and between the bones of pelvic girdle. So here these are the fibrous joints, and present between the bones of the skull. They have fibrous. These are the fibrous connective tissues. Second class is the cartilaginous joints. These joints are entirely connected by fibrocartilage or hyaline cartilage. They have no joint cavity and they are slightly movable, means that bones can glide over each other to a limited extent. Cartilage forms a flexible connection so that these joints allow slight movements. These joints are present between the vertebrae as well as between the wrist and ankle bones. For example, this is the vertebrae. These are intervertebral discs, and that is the fibrocartilage. Third one are synovial joints. Synovial joints are those joints which the articulating bones are separated by a fluid containing joint cavity that is called synovial cavity. This arrangement allows free movement, means they are freely movable. They have ligaments. That these synovial joints are reinforced and strengthened by a number of band-like structures called ligaments. And these ligaments hold the bones in position. Based on the shape of their articular surfaces, the synovial joints have different structural plane, and this structural plane determines the type of movement allowed. Synovial joints can be classified into two types, that are hinge joints and ball and socket joints. Hinge joints are those joints on which the cylindrical projection of one bone fits into a true-shaped surface on another. There is, look at the figure. Here synovial cavity is present and this is the hinge joint between the two bones. These joints allow movement in one plane and these joints are present in elbow and knee. Second class of synovial joint is ball and socket joints. And these joints, the spherical or hemispherical head of one bone articulates with the cup-like socket of another bone. These joints are freely movable, means they move in all directions. And these are present in the shoulder and hip joints. Look at the figure. There is socket and there is ball. Here the synovial cavity is present. So these were the joints and their structure, classification,